People always say Chinese is very hardworking. And in this video, I will show you a day of the hardworking Chinese. Hello, I'm Nate. We are the vending machine manufacturer in China. Now it's 8 a.m. in the morning. I am about to start to drive from home to office. Now it's 9:10 and I reached the office. From my home to office is 39 kilometers, so it takes 1 hour around to drive.
9:30 we will have a morning meeting. It's about the working plan of the day. Then will be the daily work, handling emails from the existing customers and new customers.
We will work till 12 a.m. and then we will have around 1 hour time break for lunch, and we will have a rest. This is my lunch. It's a dumpling. 醋的英文怎么知道？你们知道吗？
真忘了。忘了。
And in the afternoon we start to work in 1:10 p.m. and we normally would like to have a cup of coffee in the afternoon. And normally Chinese do not drink much coffee, so normally we drink tea. And I would like to have tea and coffee together, so that's double refresh. 6:30 p.m. we have 3 colleagues left for home, and we still have 5 people working in the office.
Now it's 7 p.m. and then we still have 3 people here out of 8. So let's have a small interview. Hey Alice.
Hi.
Why you're working late?
I have some mail have to reply and need to through some customer case.
Okay. Hello Louis. Why you are working late today?
I am just come back from factory and I'm just have some works need to be done today. Currently, I'm discuss some product problem with our customer and I will solve the problem for him.
APN, I am having a team meeting with a customer.
The vending show or not? No, not my show. There was a.
Now it's 8:30 p.m. and I will call your day. I'm heading home, and my colleague Louis is still working. So, do you think we are as hardworking as you think?